Guys, it's snowing like crazy outside, so Noah and I are gonna bundle up. And I think we're gonna go to Times Square at 9 p.m.
Let's do it.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter if it's Christmas.
Muscle up. That wasn't that bad.
Oh, it's slippery. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Cool, huh?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, let's go this way.
Okay. I've never seen this much snow.
No?
No. All right, we're walking to Times Square. Walking in a winter wonderland. What a ride. Sorry, I'm so
Start
happy.
mashing songs together. It's
It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out.
Slowly making our way into Times Square. Holy shit. Wow. We keep walking over, Noah? Just gotta be really careful.
I got you that time.
So we made it to Times Square, as you can see. It's incredible, it's crazy, it's freezing. We probably won't stay long, but I just wanted you to see it. Can you go in? Can you? Oh,
Yeah, they are cold. They're good though.
It says hot now. Do you have to ask for them hot?
These are good though. I don't think we've had these since Burbank.
Been a while. New York City aesthetic. Taxis covered in snow.
Travis was here, he came out, and then I thought that I wanted to get it, so I
In for the night, had enough of the cold. We are both freezing.
Absolutely.
I poured myself a nice tea. Noah doesn't want one, but we will see you in the morning. Round 2.